Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Block in X. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to block in X. So the first thing you need to do when blocking in X, open up your X app, and once you're here, choose the person or uh, person you want to block. For example, let's block Spotify for just a moment. Click on the three dots on the top right. After clicking on the three dots on the top right, click on block. And you won't receive any notification from them or any chats from them. There you go. They have now been blocked. Now to unblock them or to see where or who or did you block, just click on your profile on the left side corner, top left. After clicking on the top left, click on the settings and privacy. After clicking on the settings and privacy, you will see search settings, and tap on that and type in block. And click on block and click on block accounts. After clicking on block accounts, click on this one, blocked, and there you go, it will be unblocked. And there you go, you have successfully unblocked an account in X. So yeah, and a little bit of bonus tip, you can also mute accounts, and you can also find the muted accounts right here. So yeah, hope you guys like the video, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.